Hello, Sayo.
Hello.
Hi. Okay. Are you in a golf now again?
Yes. Oh, I'm not in the car.
You are not in the court. Okay, but you're playing golf now.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay, you always do. Uh-huh. Okay, so I see that you really like to play golf. Uh-huh. Okay, how's the weather there? It's very hot?
Mm, Not not very hot.
Uh-huh. Okay. In my country, in the Philippines, it's very hot. Hello,
ฝึกให้เห็นตัวเองได้
brother.
อยู่จะได้รู้ว่าตัวเองทำอะไรบ้าง
Uh-huh. It's look like you also. You really alike. Okay. So let's
อ๋อ
continue
ไหนขอ
our lesson, Sayo.
อืม
Okay, so Sayo, before we have our reading and
โอ
conversation,
เคโอเคฮัลโหล
let let's answer
เวลา
first
เวลา
this
น้องเปลี่ยน
English
ด้านนอก
activity.
เดินนี้ไม่ได้
Okay, all you need to do is to group the noun, the adjective, and the
yes yes
adverb,
true true
and the verb. Okay? Okay, so Sayo, you are going to group this word if and adverbs. Okay, do you know what is adjective?
Mm.
Okay,
I
adjectives
don't know
are words that describe. Okay, like for example, Sayo is great in playing golf. So the adjective there is great. Okay.
Okay.
How about
Ý là
noun?
ok
How
đi
about
đi. Biết phải
noun?
lên gì?
เก็บ
Lên
Do you know
โทร
the
เรียน
word
แล้วตั้งใจ
noun,
เรียน
Sayo?
noun.
Okay, noun is nouns are names of person, things, animals. Like for example, Sayo, it is a name of person. Okay?
Okay.
How about this verb? Do you know what is verb?
Word.
ไม่รู้ก็ไม่รู้ก็บอก
No.
Verb is an action words. Okay? Our action words like playing golf. The verb there is playing. Okay?
Okay.
And the
ไม่ใช่เวลา
adverb is words that define the verb. Like for example, Ayu is playing golf gracefully. Okay? So the word there gracefully is an adverb. Okay. Let's group these following words from adjectives, nouns, verbs, and adverbs. Okay. Can you try? Let's start this one. Run. Where is run belong? Is it adjectives, nouns, verbs, adverbs? Okay, run is okay, run adverb? Uh-huh. Okay, another. Colorful. Colorful. Okay, okay, Ayo, the word run is a verb, okay? The word run is a verb because it is an action word. Okay, verb. Colorful. Where do you think this colorful belong? Colorful. Colorful is belong to?
ไหนไม่รู้ก็บอกไปให้เลย
Belong to what? Colorful.
Adverb.
Adverb? Okay. The word colorful belongs to adjectives. Okay? Adjectives. Yes. How about beautiful? Beautiful. Beautiful belongs to what? What kind of group?
It's behind of adjective.
Very good. Adjective. How about sleep? Sleep.
Verb.
Very good. Yes. How about jump?
Verb.
Jump.
Verb.
Verb. Very good. Okay. And how about the next word, house? It's a noun because it is a name. Okay. Okay. House is a noun. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. House is a noun. All right. Television belongs to what? Adjective.
Adjective.
Okay. Television belongs to nouns. It means television is a TV.
TV.
Okay. TV. Television or TV. It is a thing. A name of thing.
TV.
Okay. Another. Birmingham. Birmingham.
Birmingham.
Birmingham is a place. So, which, where does
Now.
noun? Okay, very good. Another, hop. Hop, like
Verb.
the rabbit. Verb. Very good. Okay. London. London.
Now.
Yes, very good. Bean. 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 Bin is a like trash can where you put your garbage.
Verb.
Adverb, it's noun also. Okay? Yes. Shelf. Shelf. When we say shelf, it is a place where you put your books if you want to organize them. Or
Noun.
organize. Yes, very good. Okay. Quickly. Quickly. What do you think? Yes, adverb. It's adverb. Okay. How about skip? Skip. Skip is verb. Very good. Oh, no. Excitedly. Excitedly.
Adjective.
Excitedly is an
Adverb.
adverb. How about spotty? Adverb. How about spotty? When we say spotty, it is somehow have spots like leopard or cheetah. Adjectives. Okay. And yes. And the rest, this one is maybe adverbs like swiftly, swift, maybe adverb. Grumpy. Okay. Okay. Grumpy. What is grumpy?
Bird.
Grumpy is an grumpy is an adjective. When we say grumpy, it's surely, okay? Or like an old woman, old man, okay? Okay, another is scarily. This one is scarily. It's adjectives also.
Adjective.
Yes, and then the last one is swiftly. Swiftly.
Adverb.
Yes, very good. It's adverb. Okay, let's find out. Okay, very good. That's right. Okay, thank you for that. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's have now our continuation with our reading lesson. Okay, so what is our second reading? What is the title? What is the title of? Yes. Okay. The oldest musical instrument. Okay. What is the oldest musical instrument based on what we have read? What is the oldest? The Neanderthal flute. Okay?
Flute.
Neanderthal flute. Okay. Okay, let's continue our reading activity. Okay, you may start here and you will end here.
Mm,
Okay. Okay, so you will. Okay, you will start here, this one, and you will end here. Okay, please read. Okay, please read.
flute from
Okay, Devhi, babe,
is
is the
the
only.
one.
Uh-huh,
Only one.
yes.
It was
Okay, uh-huh, okay.
the
Was definitely,
definitely
definitely.
definitely
Okay, definitely.
definitely
Okay, made by
made by
Neanderthal.
Neanderthal.
Okay, Neanderthals. It,
It's about
uh-huh, 20,000
20,000 years old,
older, uh-huh,
older
than
than that
other
the other known
known flute.
foods
Okay, made by
made by
modern
modern
human.
human.
Okay, the
The,
discovery, the discovery
the discovery
confirms
confirmed
that the
that the
Neanderthals
Neanderthal
were
were
like
like us,
us,
uh,
fully
fully
developed
developed
spiritual beings,
state
capable
of
of artistic
artistic
expression.
lecture.
Okay, so thank you. Okay, so it's all about the Neanderthal flute. So it's about 20,000 years old, okay? Imagine that. That kind of flute is around 20,000 years old, okay? It's very, very, very old than the flutes that we have right now that made by modern humans or us. Okay, so for this discovery, they confirmed that Neanderthals were like us, okay? They are like humans, or they are like the modern humans because they develop spiritual beings capable of artistic expression. Okay, so they create or they make that flute in order to express artistic expression. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all the story or the information about the oldest instrument in the world. Okay. Again, what is the oldest instrument in the world?
Flip.
Neanderthal flute.
Neanderthal
Neanderthal.
flip.
Yes. Okay. Okay, for now, let's come now to another set of story So please read this title. How do you read this word?
เสร็จแล้ว3 วันแล้วยอดได้ไหม
How do you read this word? Tsunami. Okay, tsunami.
Tsunami.
Yes, okay. Tsunami. Okay, it is silent T, okay?
Tsunami.
It is not tsunami, okay? It's tsunami.
Tsunami.
Yes, tsunami. Okay, let's find out what is a tsunami by reading its information. Okay, you may start this one. You may start here and end here. Go.
เลข4เลย
Tsunami or
Tsunamis with S.
tsunamis
Yes.
are
Uh-huh.
sometimes
Sometimes.
called
Uh-huh. Tidal
tidal,
waves. Okay.
but
But their strength
extreme
has nothing
to do
to do, yes, with
with the
the tides.
tide.
Okay. About
About
4
4
out of
of 5
tsunamis
tsunami
happen
ใส่
happen
within
with the
ring
ring of
fire.
fire.
Okay. A zone
In
in
the
the Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean where
Uh-huh. Earthquakes
earthquakes
and
and
volcanic
volcanic
eruptions
eruption
frequently
repeatedly
take place.
take place.
Okay, let's read one more time. Okay, this time we're going to do a little faster. Okay. Okay, repeat after teacher. Tsunamis are sometimes called tidal waves.
Tsunami are sometimes called tidal waves,
Very good. But their strength has nothing to do with the tides.
but their
Strength
strength has nothing to do with the tide.
Very good. Okay. About 4 out of 5 tsunamis happen within the ring of fire.
About 4 out of 5 tsunami
Uh-huh.
happen when
Within
with
the ring
the
of
ring
fire.
of fire.
Okay. A zone in the Pacific Ocean.
Also in the Pacific Ocean.
Wonderful.
Pacific Ocean.
Yes. Where earthquakes and volcanic eruptions okay, go.
There, there
Earthquakes,
earthquake and
volcanic eruptions
volcanic eruption
frequently take place.
frequently take place.
Okay, again, say frequently.
Frequently.
Okay, frequently. All right. Okay, so based on this information, tsunamis are sometimes called tidal waves, but it is a lot bigger with tidal waves. Okay, if you observe in the ocean, there is something that a little shake of in the water. So we call it tidal waves. However, if the tidal waves turns into a big wave, we call it tsunami. Okay. And according to this information, there are 4 out of 5 tsunamis happen within the Ring of Fire. Okay, when we say Ring of Fire, a zone in the Pacific Ocean where earthquakes and volcanic eruptions frequently takes place. Okay, what is earthquake? Do you know what is earthquakes? Earthquakes
It's
is
like
the
in the sea.
aha, yes. Okay, maybe it happened in the sea, under the sea, or even in the land. Okay, when we say earthquakes, it is a shaking. Okay, when there is a shaking phenomenon or event in the ocean or even in what do you call this one? Inland. So that's the time that there is an earthquake. And how about volcanic eruptions? What is volcanic eruptions? Sayo.
I don't know.
Okay. When we see volcanic eruptions, there is a volcano and it's like boom, like that. So that's the volcanic eruptions, wherein a volcano blow out, or what they call this one, blow a lava. Okay, do you know what is lava?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So those are things that a volcano what they call this one has. All right, so let's continue reading. You may start from here and end here. Go. Okay. Okay, Yumi, let's do this by repeating after me, okay? Okay, repeat after teacher. Giant slabs of Earth's crust.
And that of
Earth's crust. Okay, giant slabs. Say giant slabs.
giant
Okay. Called tectonic plates.
called tectonic plate.
Okay. Grind together. Grind together.
Grind together.
Okay. Sometimes though, the plates get stuck.
Sometimes
Though
the
the plates
the plate
get stuck.
gets stuck.
The pressure builds up and they suddenly slam
Lecture fill out
and they suddenly slam
and they suddenly
slam into a new position.
into a new position.
This causes an earthquake.
Causing an earthquake.
Quake. Okay, again, one more time, say suddenly.
Suddenly.
Okay, suddenly. Okay. So this sentence talks about how earthquake occur. Okay, like for example, this is this is the land and another land, okay? So if the Earth's crust is, or the tectonic plates grind together like this, and it creates pressure and builds an up and down, suddenly slam. Okay, that's why it creates an earthquake. Okay? All right. Okay, let's have another one here. Okay, you may start from here. Okay, wait for a second. You may start from this one. Okay, you may start from here and end up here. Okay, go. Please read.
Eve
Uh-huh.
and
Uh-huh.
earthquake,
Uh-huh. Lift,
lift or
drops,
drop
part, uh-huh.
of the
Ocean floor,
ocean floor,
the water above
the water above
rises
rises
and is spreading.
spreads
Is spreading across the ocean,
across ocean,
causing
causing
a,
a
okay, how do you read that?
tsunami.
Yes, very good. Okay, so if there is an earthquake, especially a strong earthquake or a strong shaking of the ground, the the next to it is a tsunami. Okay? So if you're watching news, there are probably lots of news about earthquakes, like a place was being hit by a magnitude maybe 7.8 earthquake. So it is very dangerous, okay? And it's very risky. All right. So if an earthquake lifts, okay, let's read one more time. Repeat after teacher. If an earthquake lifts or drops,
And earthquake
lift
leaves
or
or
drop
drop
part of
of
the
the
ocean floor,
ocean floor,
the water above rises
the water above
above rises
above rises
and it starts
and start
spreading across
spreading across
the ocean,
the ocean,
causing a tsunami.
causing a tsunami.
Okay, very good. Okay, so Sayo, we will continue this reading activity next time so that we can proceed to our conversation. Okay, I almost forgot. Okay, I almost forgot that we have another activity which is a conversation. Okay, so we're done. Okay, we will just continue this question about the movie that you ever watch, okay? You
Okay.
didn't answer this question. Okay, so what is the best movie you've ever watched, Sayo? Can you tell me what is the best movie for
Hmm.
you that you watch?
I'm the in Thai and English is the same or the same.
I'm sorry. Can you say it again?
I'm not sure in Thai and English is same or not.
Ah, okay. if if you talk about the language or the thing that they use in conversation, it is different. Okay? Because
Okay.
English and Thai is different. However, if there is a subtitle, when we say subtitle, um, even the original language is spoken using a Thai language. As long as there is a subtitle, there is an English subtitle, so maybe it is the same. Okay? So can you
Okay.
tell me what is the title of that movie that you ever watch?
Can I write for you?
Yeah, okay. You can use the chat box to write the title. The best movie that I ever watch it was okay. Okay, so this is the title. Okay, maybe I will just copy this one and translate it so that I know what is. A Top Gun. A Top Gun?
Yeah.
Okay, is this an action movie?
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so this is a Top Gun. Okay, can you tell me what is about? What is all about that movie? What is it? What is it all about? The best movie that
Action.
was um was Top Gun. Okay, can you tell me? Can you tell me what it is all about? This
It's like
movie is like
airplane. Airplane.
an airplane.
Airplane.
Airplane. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Like a war.
Mm,
Like an action, like you said, it is an action movie, right?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Like an airplane. Okay. Okay, maybe you can use the chat box to explain it. To explain it. Okay? Can
Okay.
you tell me? Can you tell me? You can use the chat box to write how to write it. Mm. This movie is like an airplane movie, or let's say this movie is like an action movie. Okay,
Okay.
an action movie where um there were fighters that were fighting. Uh-huh. Okay. All right. So please read this sentence, Sayo. The
What
best, the
the
best,
best movie
uh-huh,
or you never
that
seen?
I ever watch, that I
It's
ever
about
watch.
movie.
Yeah.
It I never what where
Was Top Gun. Yeah. This
this
movie,
movie is like
an
an
an action movie
an action movie where
where there were
there were
fighters
fighters that
that were
are
fighting.
fighting.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much for reading it. Let's have another one here. Okay, let's have the number 9 question, Sayo. Please read.
What do you like to do when you
Okay.
family?
What do you like to do with your family? Here. What do you like to do with your family?
Play together.
Okay. I like um I like I like us, okay? I like us to be together as a family. Okay. How important is the family for you, Sayo? How
Hmm.
important is the family for you? Okay, how important is the family for you, Sayo?
ไม่เข้าใจคำถามนะเข้าใจที่กำลังคิดอยู่
Mm-hmm.
It can make me happy.
Ah, yeah, okay. Okay, they are very important to me because they are very important, let's say, important to me because again, sorry, they are very important to me because what?
They make me happy.
Okay, they make me happy. Okay. Okay, try to remember this answer, Sayo. I like us to be together as a family. They are very important to me because they make me feel happy. Okay. So we will just continue our lesson next meeting because it's already time. Okay, I just want to say, Sayo, thank you so much for attending my class. I hope you learned something from the story we have read, from the activity that we did, and also from the conversation that we had. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye. Enjoy playing your golf.
Okay.
ขอบคุณครับ
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.